Vlog, and I am with my family, as you can see. Hi! Kali. Apple. Oh, yeah, basta. Hey guys, so we're heading to Boracay now. Dito sila guys. Hi Lali! Hi! Hello! Hi! Lali! Say hi to the vlog! This... So we're here at Arya guys. Magano lang kami. Eat. My hair is very long. Huh? Look, it's very curly. Look at, show me your hair, babe. No, the other side. The other side. Wow, I like it. Mama, mait na ko. That's it, guys. Hello, so nandito kami ngayon sa Front Beach ay naliligo si Mama. Hey guys, good morning. So it's our day 2 here in Boracay and we are staying here in Henan Lagoon. As you can see. So kahapon, kumain na kami ng kumain and nag-swimming sila a little bit. At hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog kasi parang hilo pa ako sa biyahe. And ngayon, kakain na naman kami ulit kasama yung parents ko and yung mga tita ko. And ayan. So this is our room. Makalat. Tapos meron kaming extension room here. Just nice. Hello. Morning. Ni sa Cecil. Toothbrush or ramos on. Cecil! Ay, most on abno. Wala ka baka ano. Uy! Wala ka pang lock. Oo.
Waking up for breakfast.
Guys,
Amo na yun ka lang dagdago.
Ito si Italian.
Hey guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi guys! First, gigising para sa pre-breakfast. Good morning guys! So aga pa siya nagbugtaw. Usually hindi siya mo story time. Ako nagpukaw siya kay na daman ko kagabi. And nagsinggitan ko sa kwarto. At tita ko nagbugtaw man actually. So this is my food. Puro protein yan. Hey guys, so we're here now at the gym. Gym muna kami bago lumabas later. So sinamama, inayaan ko na muna mag-swim sa pool. We're done! Let's go. Let's go where? Let's go lunch. So, magla-lunch na kami ngayon, guys. So, magbibihis na kami. And sila, marites pa. Magpa-freshen up lang. Then, after nito, lunch. Ayun. What's the plan today? What's the plan?
Eat lunch. And take cute pics.
Yung busy, pero may sa cellphone.
Sulit kasi mo kailan.
Nga ha.
Kita ko nalaki na kong ilawas. Oh,
Nga.
nag-gym sa babagi. Paypayon na rin mama mo. Kaya binas ikaw.
Palagpat, amo na ka
Sa tama
bakulawas.
nagkatan. Sige, sa pinit kay mama mo.
Nga. Bate ang ka din, Roslyn.
Paypayan niya.
Nga dala ka mo sa kiddie pool, how?
Ha?
Nga dala ka mo sa kiddie pool.
Kailan babae sa mga, diri mo na din ko. Hindi pala nung babae. Dito anak ko dito.
What color?
You want the blue one? Blue angel. Blue cotton candy. Blue and pink. Wow, get.
Yay! Good morning, guys. It's my birthday. So today is we are going to Puka Beach with them. Hello. Hi, Lali. Hindi ta makadto ni Lali. Where ta mag-go? Ha? Ha? Tibura kay naman eh. Hey, this is my brother. Yeah. So medyo makulimlim dito ngayon, guys. And kanina maulan yung umaga. And ayun. Hey guys, so we are going to... Ano naman to?
Buka. Kaka.
Nga po ka.
The Pokemon.
Kali! Say hi to the vlog! Say hi to the vlog, ano?
Say hi sa vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. What will you say to Dada, gani? Ha? What will you say?
Ah.
What will you say? Signa? Ay, hindi kita ma-swim diyo karon no. Say na. Go na. Tapos? Dugitik. Oh. Who made this? Papa. Not you? Not you? Ha?
Honest.
Sino nagkubrane? Te, kumusta ang Boracay?
Ayos. Ayos.
Te, nami ta? Ha?
Okay lang.
Gimara sa Boracay?
Boracay. Boracay. Boracay gid namin.
Ikaw?
Boracay gid eh. Boracay.
Nya ang mga Boracay gidaw.
Lain gid.
Ha? Ikaw ano man bal mo sa ano man bal mo kay Parmi kadi ka pa man news.
Nami ang Boracay the best. The best ang Boracay.
Nga nag the best daw.
Kamu ka na lang mo buli makita.
Dugo reklamo ka man sa mga presyo sa pagkaon.
Mahal lang. Wala.
Ano?
Mahal lang.
You like Boracay? You want to go back here?
Pitla na ikaw? Pitla na ikaw? Where's your mouth?
Hey guys, so nasa Puka Beach kami. And medyo gloomy yung weather ngayon. Pero masaya naman kasi parang konti lang yung tao. Kami lang yung nandito. And so far, nag-enjoy naman sila dito. Ulit ha?
Get ko na? Sige, so na yung mapamarka. Ay, magani eh. Ay, magani eh. Hindi na yun.
Waya kalali.
Ay, magani eh. Oh. Ano? Oh. Ay, magani. Tala ako kalikot ah.
Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel. So nandito na yung mga friends ko ngayon, sina Dorth and Ryan, Darlene, and so pupunta namin sila sa room nila bago ako bumalik sa room kasi sobrang basa.
Puta!
Gagawin na naman pala sa pagkakamera sa
Yes, so pupunta naman kami ngayon sa room ni Ryan for 1 month.
Ay! Kapula na siya.
Wait, ako hello!
Happy birthday!
Thank you! Oh, thank you!
Hello! Happy birthday!
Ay, lumutang na ganay!
Lupugan, hindi ka camera.
Yes!
Padaray.
Hey guys, so we're here at the pool right now.
Malap actually.
Hindi mo props. Hi.
Show us something.
Stretching para hindi makram.
Show us something. Show us something. Hey guys, so tonight we're going to have our dinner sa La Fiesta for my birthday celebration. And I'm so happy because nandito sila ngayon. And ayun, see you later. Woo! Hello!
Underwater disease.
Birthday girl! Happy birthday! Hello! Busy yung isa. Happy.
Baby sila.
Hello!
Birthday.
SDE na ni? SDE. Ma'am? Ha? Do sosya oh. Hey guys, so this is my look. So dinner kami ngayon dito sa Mandarin. And sobrang sarap ng pagkain. Duwat na. Duwat na tayo. Ay, mo pag yan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me. Are. Nabasyon ni mo.
Ig-wish po muna tayo and then blow your candle po.
Happy birthday to
Kaya
us.
po Mandarin Bay lang yes po, we would like to greet you a happy birthday ma'am and sir. Thank you for choosing Mandarin Bay to celebrate your birthday here in La Fiesta po.
Thank you. Thank you. Punta mo rin. Thank you so much for coming. Charot. Thank you, fam. What's up, guys? So we're here at Station 2. Hello, guys. So we are planning to go to Angol today. And saan tayo dadaan? Back to Boracay Daily. So yung weather today is medyo mahangin and parang hindi siya masyadong mainit. And last night was super fun kasi masarap yung pagkain dun sa sa Mandarin Bay. Mas maganda dito kasi walang tao. Look. So magsushoot lang sila ng mga content nila. Feeling content creator. Oo. Oo.
Wala tayo.
Oh.
Dito kal.
Hindi ko kaya!
May maigo ah. Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Angol and we're just chilling by the beach. Sobrang ganda dito guys, it's very chill and just enjoying our last days here in Boracay kasi tomorrow is babalik na kami sa Iloilo. And ayun, I am very happy. Because you know I spent my birthday here with my family and friends. And ayun, I am thankful and also blessed na you know ma-celebrate yung birthday ko here in Boracay. And that's all. Hello
Welcome!
to Boracay. Wala pulo sa vlog ko man eh. So how was work? How's
There's
work?
no work.
Okay, so how's Boracay?
Boracay is still Boracay.
Kanya-kanya na sila shoot yung isa. Baka-baka.
Meron ka muna comfy. Oo, meron kami ma'am.
Sarang lang.
Good morning guys. So today is our last day here in Boracay and today is chill na lang kami ngayon guys kasi uwi na kami ng Iloilo. And ayun, that's an update for a Boracay Daily. And this is my look for today. Magbe-breakfast muna kami, last breakfast of the day. Pero mag-check attendance muna kami dun sa Mayas kasi we always go there kapag nandito kami sa Boracay. Hey guys, so nasa breakfast area na kami. Good morning! Back to Boracay Daily!
Ay ako.
Hello! Last day.
Last day sa kanalan.
Ngani ka na magkaon sila iluhaw.
Pray ako sa happy birthday yun.
Hey guys, so we're here at Mayas. And magko-coffee lang ako. Sila? What did you order guys?
Banana
Mango
peanut butter
banana.
fruit shake. So we got one blue dream, one no order.
Hi guys, so what can you say about this short trip?
Saan nagang
My phone is shit. Shut up.
iPhone 15 is shit. How about your trip? How was your trip?
Very heavenly trip.
What's your name?
Hi, I am Nuke Gonzaga.
What are you doing here? Can you tell us about yourself?
I'm a photographer and I work as a fashion photographer.
I heard you celebrated your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
How was it?
It was wallet racking.
Bye Boracay.
Bye-bye Boracay.
Bye-bye, Boracay. Bye, Boracay.
Come on.
Bye!
So that's all for today guys. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye!